Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Dane Donahue and I'm a third generation chiropractor who's been practicing in Bucks County, Pennsylvania for over 28 years. And I want to welcome you to our newly renovated state-of-the-art wellness facility. I want to give you a tour and I want to tell you what we do here at Wellness Solution Centers. So first things first, you're going to see our supplement area. We use only the highest quality supplements from a company called Nutridyne. We are a big believer in nutrition, that people should be taking things like probiotics, omega-3s, vitamin D3, and really focusing on their chemical and nutritional health. Let's take you over to our chiropractic area where we do a lot of our chiropractic corrections for common conditions. So this is the area where we offer chiropractic care. We have multiple techniques that we use with these tables called flexion distraction, as well as adjusting instruments that we use that help us make these corrections in the spine. Alignment in your spine is critical to a well-balanced spine, a healthy, pain-free spine, and the treatments that we do here are safe, they're effective, and they're drug-free. Let's take you over to the other adjusting area. The care that we offer here in our office is really designed to respect you and your time. So we have an open adjusting area that allows us to get our patients in and get them seen on time and get you back out to the life that you need to live. So now let's go over to our physical rehabilitation area and physical therapy area. In this area of the office, we offer a lot of physical therapy modalities that complement the chiropractic adjustment. So things like intersegmental traction, which is great for stiff spines and also for disc issues. We also offer infrared therapy and cold laser therapy, which is excellent to bring blood flow and speed up tissue healing in injured tissues. Anytime there's inflammation or tissue healing, it's going to slow down the healing process, and we want to expedite that process so that we get you feeling good as quick as possible. So right now we're going to take you back to the back of the office where we do a lot of our exercise and functional training. This is our exercise and functional training center. It's over 4,000 square feet. And we here at Wellness Solution Centers are big believers in something called core strength and core stability. You simply cannot have good function and pain-free function in your body without good joint function and stable joints. So we focus on things like getting your spine strong and stable so it doesn't go out of alignment or stays in alignment after chiropractic correction. We also focus a lot on posture. People with good posture have good movements, and people with good movements, they just function better and they get healthier a lot quicker. Once we fix your problem in this area and fix your core stability and your alignment, we will then transition you over here, and this is where we do more of our group exercise and one-on-one exercise to help people meet their health goals, like losing weight, getting more strength in your body, getting more flexibility in your body, and improving your overall quality of life. So now let's take you to the area where we see our new patients, and it's just right across this area. This is where we start you on your journey to better health and better function, and this is our new patient room. We use a lot of technology when we first meet with a patient to find out A, what their problem is, and then B, what we need to do to fix their problem. Once we find the problem, then we can get down to fixing the problem. And so we use a lot of technology when we first meet with a patient, things such as digital postural pictures. We use digital x-ray. We use a lot of other modalities where we can test nerves and muscle function, and even use this in-body scan, which is a high-tech scan to look at muscle and body fat and see where you're carrying that fat and muscle and where we may need to strengthen to improve your overall quality of health and quality of life. So now what I'd like to do is take you to our massage area where we do a lot of soft tissue techniques, and it's right up at the front of the office. At Wellness Solution Centers, we have 2 state-of-the-art massage rooms, and we offer a lot of different soft tissue and massage techniques. So whether it's hot rocks or Swedish or deep tissue, we're gonna focus on your muscles and get them unlocked, get them moving well so that we can help with your chiropractic care and improve your adjustments. So now I'd like to just finish up and tell you a little bit about how you can become a patient in the office. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of Wellness Solution Centers. We'd like to invite you to become a patient. You simply can go to our website, wscenters.com, and learn how to become a new patient. But we look forward to helping you with your healthcare challenge and getting you back on the road to feeling good, looking good, and functioning good.